Let's convert minutes to seconds using Java. We know that 1 minute always equals to 60 seconds. So the formula is pretty simple. So in this code, all we have to do is multiply the number of minutes by 60. So in this program, we first declare an integer variable called minutes and assign it to a value. For example, here I set it to 5. So right here we have integer that I have set it to 5. Now next we create another variable called seconds and we multiply the minutes by 60. So on the fourth line you can see that. We do this to get the total number of seconds. So we finally print it using system.out.println. That's it, super simple and easy. So if we input 5 minutes, the output becomes 300 seconds. So I'm just going to show you by running the code. And there you go. 5 minutes is equals to 100 seconds. And that's it, super simple and easy. You can just simply try by changing the value of minutes like 10 or 15 and the program will instantly give you the equivalent seconds. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.